Hi, I'm Preeti Shah. I'm an integrative nutrition health coach. In my coaching, I tell my clients what are the healthy things or healthy lifestyle changes they need to implement, but at the same time, I also tell them what are the unhealthy things and what they need to remove to not to fall into any trouble. Consuming medicines excessively, especially which are available over the counter, like medicines for paracetamol, stomach ache, allergies, cold, cough, various kinds of syrup, supplements, probiotic, and anything which claim to be healthy for the body, people don't think twice before popping them. And excess or wrong usage of medication can play havoc in your body. This video is about medication, what you need to be careful. So please see this and share with your loved ones so they also don't make a mistake. Medicines are kind of chemical or compounds which can ease, cure, prevent, or recover out of any ailment. They are in various forms like pills, drugs, syrup, even eye or ear drops, any kind of cream, ointment which can be rubbed on your skin, any kind of patches which can you put it on the skin, injection, intravenous, all kind of medicines are coming in the list of medicines, and you need to be careful whatever is entering in your body in whichever form. If medicines are used excessively or in a wrong manner, can really damage your body, including liver damage, heart attack, or any similar life threatening situations. Very common mistake people often make in calculating the dose of the medication incorrectly. Few examples are like full strength versus half strength medication. When you are buying the medications from over the counter, read the label and read whether it is a full strength or half strength. In understanding the dose of the medication can result you in an overdose. Second is measuring device like a tablespoon or teaspoon. If the prescription is in teaspoon and if you are consuming in tablespoon, that also can increase the dose and can harm you adversely. Similarly, in case of elders, they forget whether they have taken medicine or not. In that case, they might make a mistake of taking medicine double, and that can increase the dose. Use medicine organizer for elders and refill the medicines day wise or morning, afternoon, evening wise, timetable wise, so that they don't make a mistake. Also, when more than one medications are taken and if the medication are having same active ingredient, in that case also there is a chance of double dose. Say for example, if medicines of cold and flu are taken simultaneously, in that case paracetamol is active ingredient in both the medication, so the chances are higher that you are taking paracetamol in excessively. Similarly, making a mistake in calculating the dose of paracetamol on the basis of weight of your baby is quite common, and accidental dose of paracetamol is very common in case of babies. So be careful when you are calculating dose of paracetamol on the basis of your weight of the baby. So this was about accidental overdose of medicines without any intention. But if you see that you have consumed medication in excess, you can consult your doctor and see whether it can really harm to your body or not. If wrong medications are consumed by mistake, if you are consuming medication which is not meant for you, it can harm you in certain way. Similarly, if medications are expired or if it is kept in a hot and a humid weather, that can also change the efficacy of the medication. So make sure that you keep medications in open and dry environment. Never consume alcohol if you're on medication. It can adversely affect your body. Similarly, for pregnant women, it is always advisable to consult the doctor before popping any medication. In case of interactive drug, if you are on more than one drug and if the ingredients are interactive between these two drugs, it can also affect adversely to your body. So if you are getting any negative reaction after taking any drug, consult with your doctor whether they can interact with each other and can give side effects or not. So this was about consumption of medicines excessively and wrongly, but at the same time we also consume antibiotics excessively and in a wrong manner. Antimicrobial resistance is rising and it has become a global threat. Antibiotics are quite powerful drug. They are essential. They can help fight us with the fungal infection, bacterial infection, skin, UTI, HIV, AIDS. It is also helpful in TB, cancer therapy. It can be given after any surgery to reduce or prevent acute infection. So antibiotics are essential for us. We cannot do anything without it, and antimicrobial resistance is rising due to excess usage of medication and excess usage of antibiotics without consultation of doctors. Self-medication, using antibiotics wrongly, mixing antibiotics or antibiotics taken in excess are some of the reasons of this antimicrobial resistance. In that, body tends to develop resistance against antibiotics, and when we actually require antibiotics, it is not that much effective for our body to fight with infection. The progress of science and medicine have definitely helped us living longer and in a better manner. We need to be little sensible and thankful and stop this medical abuse for our betterment. I hope this helps. Thank you.